Are you ready? Stand by.
Woo!
Are you ready? Stand by. Finish that on the show. Clear. Clear. Come down. Bye.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Only got one. Don't click, don't click, don't click, please. Where'd it go? Ah!
Yeah. Finished unload and show clear. Just clear, hammer down and holster. It's clear.
I went through all of them.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you are finished, open cylinder.
Clear, hammer down and holster. That was graceful.
I was tripping. I was on my shoelaces.
Pass it up to you. That first stage really fucked me over. I'm gaining on you. Oh shit, you could do that?
There we go. Yeehaw! There you go, Elvis. If finished, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Range is clear. Woo!
Yes. That was nicely done, my friend.
Yeah, he did it. Yeah, he did it. He came in
I
like
want to see that on your video, dude.
Yeah,
I
he-
want to see that. I hope you're recording. What was the time?
25:58. Yeah, he came in like this, and then
Dude, that's awesome. I hope you got that.
Yeah, call it a hammer fist reload.
Dude, that's awesome.